Oh, here's a chance to see something completely unique if you can hear me over the roaring noise of the wind. But this is Starbase. This is the Texas home of SpaceX, Elon Musk, and his whole Let's Go to Mars project. And that's how close we can get. I mean, you can see the road goes right past it. Brand new construction platform for rocket launches. In the background there to the left you can see the construction area of his Starbase rockets, and just we'll turn around and you can see this is how close he is to the sea. This is Boca Chica Beach, South Texas.